Hello Eddie, hello everyone in Tonga. My name is Patrick Lau. I'm going to be showing you how to do a UV bulb replacement on a TMC P8. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the power is off. So go ahead and unplug, whether it be breaker or an electrical plug. Second thing you want to do is cut the water flow off. There's going to be water here. I have a display of your unit. I'm going to walk you through it. So the water is coming in and water is coming out back to the system. You need to make sure that you open the bypass. This one is bypass right here. So as you can see, you're going to go ahead and open that just like so. The second thing you want to do is cut water flow off here. So the water flow will no longer go. When you put it this way, no more water. Cut this one. Oh, other way. And close this one. After that, there's no longer water going through here. The water is cut. The second thing you need to do, there's water still in the UV. You need to take the water out. So this is a drain valve here. You open this like so, and the water is spewing out. Water's coming out. After it's all drained, then you can start the third step, which is removing the bulb. So if you come over here, you can see that there's a stopper here. We're going to move this up. We're going to go ahead and move that up. Second thing, the Davis cap, this one right here, the blue cap will remove up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. For this blue cap to go up. Now you can work much easier on this transformer cap. This comes off like so. We're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So this comes up, just to show you a second time, this is coming up. Blue is going to come up. I'm going to go ahead and take that transformer cap, push it up. So just like so. So now the bulb is ready to be taken out. So very important, as I remove the bulb, it needs to come in straight. Straight is good. If it comes in at an angle or anything like that, you can crack the quart sleeve. That will be a big problem. They'll have leaks and you'll have to replace it, which I'll be showing you next. If it's going in like that, very bad. You can do damage to the unit. This unit, very, very sensitive, delicate, very easy to break. So I'm going to go ahead and be very cautious and go nice and slow. Going to remove this very carefully. Nice and straight. So if you're not replacing the bulb, you can clean the bulb just like so. It's recommended to change these once a year. I'm going to go ahead and put this aside, and next I'll be showing you the quart sleeve replacement or quart sleeve maintenance. So this is a threaded cap that holds the quart sleeve and stops the water from entering this gasket. You're going to second take off this gasket. So I'm going to go ahead and remove just like so. Be very careful. Make sure you put this in an area where you're going to find it. This is a very critical item that can be lost. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, remove the threaded cap. We're going to go ahead and remove the gasket, just like so. And now you're ready to remove the quart sleeve. Very careful while removing the quart sleeve. Again, it must be straight. So it is recommended to clean this every 6 months. Every 6 months you are to clean this. I'm going to go ahead and place this down. I'm going to go ahead and inspect, make sure there's no glass anywhere. Inspect the unit all around, make sure everything's in place. After I see everything is okay, then I'm going to go ahead and add this back in. It's important to take your time and go slow. Your chances of an issue happening happens a lot less if you go slow. So a trick you can do that I will show you on the other side, you're going to stick your finger in. Once you stick your finger in, you can fish the bowl back in, just like so. You're going to go ahead and add this gasket back on. You're going to go and tighten the threaded cap. Do not really hard. You want to go nice and easy, just a little bit tight. Good. Good. Do the same thing on this side, just like so. Go ahead and put the threaded cap back on. Nice and easy. Bad to go more, just a little bit tight. So next, the bowl will go back into the unit. And again, every part of this is delicate and easy to break. Very slowly. Going nice and easy. Now that I feel that nothing is broken, everything is safe, it has been installed correctly, I'm going to go ahead and add the transformer cap back on. I'm going to go ahead and take this blue cap and push it back down. So I'm going to go ahead and push back down like so. And it's important, if you see here, there's a nub. This needs to face down. This must face down. You see here and here. This is if a leak happens, water comes out. If you see a leak happen here, turn the unit off immediately. Remove this immediately. Then we're going to go ahead and put our stopper. We're going to go ahead and to the other side and make sure that that is complete. Align the pins. It's going to be much easier if you apply pressure at the end here. Go ahead and align, take your time. It's aligned. I put a little pressure at the end. Go ahead and add this cap nice and down. So it's placed on. And apply the stopper. If you want to take a look, make sure everything is correct. When in doubt, look at the one that was previously on there. Now we will allow water to come back in the system. We need water to come back in the system. So next, we will come back to here. This is our bypass. We're gonna go ahead and allow water to come back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and allow water to come back in by opening this and this back to system. After that is open, now we can close this. This is our bypass. Go ahead and close it. So now the water is going to be coming back in. You're going to notice air will push out of the unit. You need to make sure all the air is out. Once water has come out, then you can go ahead and close it. That's a good sign. We're gonna go ahead and close after the water comes out. Make sure it's nice and snug. At this point, we are back where the unit was originally, and we will go ahead and turn on the unit. As you can see, all of them are lit up. If you have any flashing occurring, go ahead and tighten. These bulbs must work all be working. If not, there will be not all of them turned on. So you need to make sure all of them are good. And that will be the correct way to do a UV bulb replacement and quart sleeve maintenance or quart sleeve replacement. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. If the unit has no water, it's important that you do not run it for very long, only a few seconds, just to check. My name's Patrick. Thank you for watching.